of the Kia Swift. Okay, this is a 2025 car, and this is the original CAFO. Into this CAFO we have the FCC ID that is reported in form. Okay, so what is going on? This is vulnerable to rollback attack. This is a rolling code. The modulation is a PSK, phase and phase modulation. So right now I am going to record the unlock signal. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to save very fast. Unlock. Perfect. After that, I'm going to record the same signal 2 times. The same unlock signal, I mean. 1, 2. And immediately, let's go to 2 unlocks. Whoa. Perfect. And finally, the same with the lock signal, okay? There we go. Lock. And here again. 2 times the lock signal. 1, 2. Two logs. Wow. Perfect. So what is going on? If I execute a replay attack directly, for example, this is the unlock signal, just 1 time. If I execute a replay attack, the doors will not be unlocked because this is a rolling code. It works, okay? As you can see, it works, okay? Let me put it works, okay? So what happens if I execute play the 2 signals in sequence? This is a rollback attack because we're going to, as you can see, the car is locked. But in the second signal, this will be unlocked. One more time. Okay, pay attention to the lights. Yeah, the car is locked. Okay, one more time. Yeah, it's locked. Let me again. I'm going to lock the car. Okay, the car is locked. I'm going to unlock with the rollback attack. I'm in the second. Yeah, perfect. So this is vulnerable to rollback attack, and also the same with the lock signal. For example, if I replay just the lock signal, as you can see, this is in 433 megahertz. As you can see, it doesn't work. For example, let me unlock the car. Perfect. Let me play. Yes, the replay doesn't work. Okay. So if I execute the rollback attack with 2 signals in sequence, first of all, let me unlock the car. The car is unlocked. Perfect. And I am going to lock with the rollback attack. There we go. Come on. Yeah, the car is locked. It's locked again. Lock it again. Example, this is unlocked, and with the rollback is locked. Yeah. Thank you so much.